Building a website for your recording studio shouldn't be complicated, and it shouldn't be an expensive one either. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple website on the MultiSites platform for your recording studio. Now, if you haven't heard of MultiSites before, MultiSites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and we actually have a free trial available for 7 days. There's no credit card details needed or payment methods. You can literally just give it a go. No obligations for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, currently over 900. We are adding more markets every single week for various small businesses. If you don't see your market down below, make sure you leave us a comment and we'll make sure that we add it. I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, recording studio, and give MultiSites a few basic details about my business, including my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your recording studio is located, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, MultiSites will automatically generate a simple website for your business with the information you've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. As you can see, they're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images as well of your recording studio, the facilities that you offer, and you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, maybe make it a little bit more personalized to your business, give your customers a little background of how your business came to be, how you opened your recording studio, and how you got into the industry. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any website coding to make any changes or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone else to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to start from the top. Let's click on the first section over here. I'm going to pop in my email address so my customers can reach out to me if need be. Let's go ahead and tick that box so it's visible. Phone number, click to call, and our address, our physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom once you've put those links in. And update section for the next section, update logo. Head over here. If you've got a business logo, click on upload. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with MultiSites as well, we've pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Click on the button, head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device if you have your own images, or search through that photo library. There's hundreds of free images to choose from. You now have the option as well to connect your Instagram account. Click on that pink button and automatically pull in all your Instagram photos if you have a profile. Under update action, we have those call to action buttons over there. And the various sections, you can change the text as well as where they link to. You can link to another website if need be, and even upload a PDF file for your customers if they click on that button, maybe a PDF file with your various different rates and services you offer. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here with their business queries on your recording studio. Keep track of all your leads in your Marti dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain already for your business, you've registered a custom domain somewhere else and reserved it, click on connect your domain, the yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain yet and you really want one, which we highly recommend to make sure your website looks professional, trustworthy, and you stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click that button as well, because you actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. It's super simple. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on our platform for your recording studio. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.